This is my go-to smoky eye for fall. You can achieve this look with only 2 eyeshadows and 2 brushes. That's all you need. Let's go ahead and first prime our eyelids. I am going to use the Born This Way concealer in shade Chestnut. This concealer is pretty creamy. Now that our eyelids are primed, let's go ahead and set it with a translucent powder on one side. First, we're going to apply our transition color, which is this one. Going to apply that. Next, we're going to pack the eyelids with this color, Grown Up Teens, which is this berry brown. Let's first pack it in first. So now that we're done applying it on our eyelids, I'm going to use another fluffy blending brush to flare it out. The edges. The same berry shade to flare out the edges. And then we're going to go back to pack the eyelid again. You got to do what you got to do, shawty.
And this is the final look. You guys, this is my go-to look for fall. Like, it's beautiful.